All right, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Acecook Yotsuba black Shoyu? I think that's what it is. Black shoyu. So, yes. Sounds good to me. Sachet. Lid. Noodle cup. Okay, we got that. We're good. Okay. Hey, I didn't spill it. That's pretty good for me, ladies and James. Usually I spill the stuff all over the place, so. But at least I'm not like totally forgetful. That's a plus, right? It's time for our quote of the day from the book Momo Fukulando Speaks, quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Today we're also going to try a new technique of slicing soft-boiled eggs. Should be interesting. Yeah. Number 21. When people gather, there is an implicit demand. Where people gather, there is an implicit demand. Okay. I got up early today. Still not as early as I like. I got up 15 minutes late. I got up at 4, but got out on the road, did my hoofing. There were a lot of bugs out this morning. There was like, excuse me, one spot on the trail, there was like 2 rabbits in the middle of the trail. It's like they were having a little chat about something. And then I walk up and they like scatter, and then there was just like all these little aphids and mosquitoes and funk in the air. I've got a headlamp, so it's like I get to see everything that's in the air. And so that was weird. And I tried some new music that I got off of YouTube. What did I get? I was like looking for rap in all sorts of different languages, so I got what do you call it? Estonian. My hat on crooked. No, that makes it worse. Really? Is that really? That's comfortable like that. Is that crooked? I don't know. Does it really matter? I'm sure it does, but I don't want to be like looking all crooked and stuff. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, Estonian, Malaysian rap, Chinese rap. The Chinese rap, honestly, that and the Estonian were like my favorite. Other than that, I got some Mongolian, which was kind of like, and yeah, so that was cool, changing up a little bit. I try to like, I have these folders on my phone that have just all sorts of stuff that I've found on YouTube. I started with YT, and then the YT1, YT2, YT3. Then I got up to YT9, and last night I made YTA, so I'm going to go through the alphabet next. I think I put like 14 albums on there. Most of them I don't really like. That's kind of, it's like, I dig for stuff to try out and give a listen to, and sometimes I'll delete it, or I'll just like, if I leave it on there, you know, I might be in the mood for that at a different point, or I won't. Oh yeah, I got some DJ Cold Cut. That was kind of neat. I haven't listened to that in years. All right, ladies and gents, we've got some black shoyu. This soup is very, very much black, like squid ink black. Question is it any good? Let's find out. I will say this about this one. It's definitely shoyu. Shoyu is Japanese for soy sauce. That's like all I can taste is soy sauce, which is really weird because shoyu ramen rarely just tastes like soy sauce. Like never. Usually tastes like there's like good pork going on and this and that. It's interesting that it's the first time I've run into that exact kind of thing. Ooh, that was close. Don't want to wear it. It's piping hot. So, yeah. We need to do the do. Don't we? Do we? We don't? We do. We do. We do. So the new method for the eggs is the Treadway institutional method. I'd like to thank Mr. Treadway for bringing forth knowledge and imparting it. He's been a fan of the blog for, I guess, a long time, and now I'm like yammering with him here and there. He used to work at a ramen shop, and he had a really neat idea that they used to use when they did up eggs. I will share that momentarily. Hopefully it works, because the what I got to do it with isn't all that optimal. It goes everywhere now. The faster I do it, the nicer the slices come out. See? Like that. That is what I call an optimally sliced, perfect slice of green onion. However, it goes on the floor. And that's not where I'm looking for it to go. Plus, it's kind of going wherever it really wants to go right now. Spot. So I think we're going to have to go back to the method of trying it in a bowl. Alright, so let's try Dude's method. Hopefully it will work out with what I got here. So the idea is to use fishing line and you make it tight. This is like for beading, like for beads. Where did it go? Oh. So I don't know how well this is going to work. It's like, pull it kind of tight, and then drag the egg along that and slice it with that. I'm like, I see the total logic in that, and it sounds great, but let's see what happens here. Oh, this isn't even close to tight enough. kinda worked. Yeah, I don't know that I'm happy with that. I need actual fishing line because that stuff is so elastic. It's horrible. I need something that's like not gonna be elastic. That's lame. Oh well. I tried. I really did. I think it's a great idea and I think it probably works really well, but just not with that stuff. We will get some fishing line and give that a go. He also gave me a recipe for chashu. Thank you, Mr. Treadway. So we're gonna look this weekend. Maybe we can find some pork belly. That would be groovy. Pork belly and what do you call that stuff? You tie it. Butcher's twine. See how we're looking here. That's not gonna work. Why is it so slow? Drives me nuts. Cool, thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one we got is a chow mein UFO. This one's from Hong Kong. It's a Szechuan style shredded pork artificial flavor. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.